Today, we're going to dive into some super simple ChatGPT hacks that are all about one thing, making your daily life just a little bit easier. Let's jump right in. So, let me ask you something. Do you ever feel like you want to get more done, but the stress and just all the mental clutter gets in the way? If you're nodding along right now, you're definitely going to want to see this.
So, let's talk about your new smart helper, ChatGPT. And don't worry, we're not going to get all techie and complicated. Just think of it like a friendly assistant that's ready to help you organize your life, learn new things, and just get stuff done.
First up, let's turn ChatGPT into your own personal day planner. This is all about taming that crazy to-do list so you can feel like you're actually in control of your day.
You know, we've all been there. You look at your list of tasks, and it's just so long. Not even knowing where to start can be totally exhausting. That's a real thing called decision fatigue, and it is a major productivity killer.
Now, here's the secret sauce with ChatGPT. It's all about how you talk to it. A vague prompt like, plan my day, well, you're gonna get a pretty useless vague answer. But when you get specific, when you tell it who you are and what you really need, that's when things start to click.
And boom, look at the result. That specific prompt creates a clear, simple plan you can actually follow. All of a sudden, that mental work of figuring out your morning, it's gone. You're not guessing what to do next. You're not worried if you'll have enough time. You just follow the steps and start your day feeling totally on top of things.
All right, next up, let's use that same idea to make learning way easier. We're gonna see how ChatGPT can help you understand pretty much anything super fast by getting rid of all that confusion.
Have you ever felt just totally lost with a new topic? You know, whether it's for school or something new at work, it's so frustrating when a concept just doesn't make sense. This is where this tool really shines. You can ask it to explain a huge, complex idea like blockchain, but in the simplest way possible. And look at that, it instantly gives you an analogy, a shared digital notebook. All that crazy, complex stuff is suddenly an idea you can grab onto. It's kind of like having a personal tutor right at your fingertips.
Okay, moving on. Let's solve one of the biggest, most annoying daily questions ever. We're gonna make ChatGPT your personal meal planning assistant and finally answer what's for dinner. You know the feeling. It's late, you're hungry, everyone's hungry, and you have absolutely no idea what to cook. That daily scramble is a huge source of stress for so many of us. It's real. But it really doesn't have to be that way. Seriously. Getting a great meal plan is as simple as 1, 2, 3. You just tell it your diet, list some foods you actually like to eat, and then ask for a plan. That's it. And the result is, well, it's fantastic. You get a perfectly organized grocery list, all sorted by category. Just think about what that means. No more wandering around the store, no more forgetting that one crucial ingredient, and maybe, just maybe, no more impulse buys that wreck the budget. It just makes your trip to the store so much faster. Okay, for our last hack, let's look at something a little more personal. We can use this to clear out the clutter not just from our tasks, but from our own thoughts, by using ChatGPT as a sort of partner for reflection. Journaling can be so powerful, right? But it's really easy to get stuck asking the same old question. How was my day? Fine. Instead, try asking ChatGPT for a better question, something that really makes you think. A simple switch like this can help you cut through the noise in your own head and find insights you might have missed. I absolutely love this quote because it gets to the heart of everything we've been talking about. ChatGPT isn't magic. Its real power is in removing all those little hurdles, the decision-making, the planning, the confusion that get in our way and stop us from doing the things we want to do. So, what are the keys to making this actually work for you? It's really simple. Number 1, be specific. Number 2, give it a role. Tell it to act like a productivity coach or a meal planner. And finally, just start small and have some fun with it. See what it can do for you. Hey, if you found any of these hacks helpful, do me a favor and give this a like and subscribe for more. It honestly makes a huge difference and lets us know that you want more content just like this. So my question for you is, which one of these hacks are you gonna try first? The day planner, the super learner, the meal planning, or maybe the journaling buddy? Let us know down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and start thinking, what other little bits of daily friction could this help you get rid of?